Welcome to Silencio, ladies and gentlemen. So I made some videos about this project in the past. I showed how I made a couple of bucks. I showed some of my withdrawals just as a proof that the platform actually paid. And of course, normally you come here, you click on the plus sign, and you have a lot of data sets that you can participate in. So the latest one that I want to talk about right now is the trained voice AI, where you can earn up to $10 per task, right? This platform itself is still working, and I'll leave you my link so you register and try it out, as well as the other links, including the payment proof for some of my withdrawals, so you can check them out. Let's go with the train voice AI, and let me show you how to onboard. So I'll be leaving a link for you in the pinned comment of the video and also on the Telegram page the link to sign up for the voice AI. So it says you earn $2 USDC for every hour your referral deliver. You can imagine how much you can make. So there are a lot of languages here that you can actually select: Arabic, Spanish, Afrikaans, there is Portuguese, among others. Can't find your ideal opportunity? Get $2 for every of your referral record. So even if you cannot find or you cannot do the voice training, once your friends participate, you can actually earn, right? You can see a lot of languages, including the BBO is there. There is German, there is Japanese, there is Indonesia. So you can go through the list, and I'm very sure you find something that you can do. Zulu is also there. If it comes to words, English, I think they have English, so you can participate in that. So let's onboard. Let's click on open here. Before you begin, please take a few minutes to carefully read the presentation and watch the short videos provided, right? Let's hit the menu here. Now, train AI live conversations is through my wallet. Let's check my wallet. My wallet currently, I have zero balance, and my tier is human. Just 723.8 KLC to unlock 25% rewards. That's cool. So I'm new here myself. There is nothing to redeem. There is nothing to convert. So you can actually convert your SLC token to USDC. Let's go to profile here. Now let's complete our profile. Alright. This is the onboarding that I told you about. Complete your profile to access this section. So you have the option to complete profile, or you earn 20% by referring. But let's complete profile because we want to be part of this. So the first part of your onboarding is to provide your year of birth. Select your gender here, you enter your occupation, and you click on next. On the next page, where were you born, you enter the answer. Yes, leave there. What's your cultural background? You select from a list, and this is basically your race, right? So you can go with the race that represent you. So on the next page, you have to select the language. So we need to select one primary language, and of course your native language, something like that is fine. Help us understand your linguistic profile. This ensures you get the most relevant recording task. So let's select our first language. Let's go with English. Select English, general English. So now you select your level. Is it native? Are you fluent in English? Conversational or basic? You can, if it's native, that's if you're an Englishman, right? Or if you're just fluent in English, you can go with fluent. Then you need an additional, at least one native language. Click on add language here, and you enter a search. If your language is Yoruba, you can enter a search for Yoruba, and you select it. And then if you want to add another one, and then you select the level, how much you understand. If that's your native language, you select native. Where is your dialect from? You enter the answer. Which region of this country you enter. You select from a list of options, and then click on next. So on the last page here, you need to provide a referral code, right? So it's very important. I'm going to get my referral code and impute it here, all right? Though it's optional, but I want your guys to impute my code so I can get 20%. So after providing an invite code, you need to accept terms and conditions. Contact preference. You prefer to be contacted via email? That's fine by me. Or would you prefer WhatsApp or Telegram? Let's say, let me just add what. Then you click on complete setup.
Welcome to Silencio. Your profile has been set up successfully. Contact preference, email. Email is fine. Before you begin, please take a few minutes to carefully read the presentation and watch the short videos provided. Our vision is to create the foundation audio infrastructure layer for AI and robotics. Read Silencio white paper to dive deeper into why real world sound data is critical and how our community driven approach is making it possible. I say here on the wallet page, there is nothing to show because I haven't earned anything. I haven't referred anyone just yet. So if you want to start working, you click on the microphone symbol here, and then you can pick the tags available according to your selected languages. And pick the tags you qualify. So this is the I qualify. You can check the lobby, the shareable. Then you can go through and see. So this one you can actually refer people to participate in this task, and you earn the amount of words stated there, right? Or you can just go to the one you qualify. So that'll be based on your selection, and then you complete some task. Earn up to 10 USD per hour in USDC, 10 times raffle tickets. So let's say I want to join this. I click on join opportunity. You will join using your global referral code. If you change it, it will apply to all opportunities. Speak clearly and naturally, maintain a consistent volume, no background noise or echoes. The use of artificially modified voices will result in an account ban. Only active normal speed speaking time counts toward rewards. Pauses are not included. Click on join, and then you'll be shown something to read. Speak about anything within the topic for at least 20 seconds to complete the task. So if you don't quite understand the text, you can click on the refresh button here. And so this is basically how it works. I haven't actually claimed some money from it myself, but I'm very sure as you complete the task, it will be displayed in the language you have selected. So if it's English, you just need to read the text provided. If it's a native language, you just do the same thing. The result will come out, right? As soon as I get to that stage, I will also share it with you all. But for now, I just see this as an opportunity of earning, and that's why I'm sharing, right? So I wish you guys good luck. Do endeavor to do your research and understand better how the platform works and how you can make the most out of it. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.